Hello everyone, welcome to another class, Kurdish class. For today, we are going to talk about feelings, okay? And we will learn two different kinds of feelings. Okay, let's go and discuss how to say feelings in Kurdish, okay? So let's go. Okay, if you want to say feeling, okay, feeling, in Kurdish you're going to say hest. Hast, okay? Hast, feeling, hast. Okay, let's go to another one, how to say feelings in a plural form. Okay, as we said, wherever we have, there's S here, which I didn't forget here to write down. Feeling is hast, but when you make it plural, always you add K-A-N in the end, like hast, hastakan, hast, hastakan. Okay, if you want to say my feeling, you'll say hastem, hastem. Okay, hastem also means like you stand up. If you like command order something, like you want to say stand up, you'll say hasta. Okay, but hast itself means feeling. Okay, let's go to another slide. Okay, we said can always is going to be plural form in Kurdish instead of S in English. Okay, if you want to ask how is your feeling, how is your feeling? Okay, how is your feeling? Hastit chona. How is your feeling? Hastit chona. Hastit chona. Okay, if you want to say how is your feeling today, you are going to say amro hastit chona. Amro hastit chona. Amro hastit chona. Okay, so let's go to another one. Okay, if you want to say happy, in Kurdish gonna be الخوشي, دل خوشي, دل خوشي, دل خوشي, دل خوشي. Okay, if you want to say I'm happy, you are going to say دل خوشم, دل خوشم. Okay, دل خوشم. I am happy, دل خوشم. I am happy, دل خوشم, دل خوشم. Okay, if you want to say I'm not happy, you will say دل خوش نیم. So this is ni, N-E is means not, and N is referring to I am. دل خوش نیم. دل خوش نیم. As you said, دل خوشی is a noun form, but because here we have adjective, so you delete Y in the end and say دل خوشی, you'll say دل خوش نیم. So I'm not happy, دل خوش نیم. دل خوشم, I'm happy. Okay, if you want to say you are happy, دل خوشی, okay, and some people say تو دل خوشی, تو دل خوشی. They use pronoun you as تو دل خوشی, تو دل خوشی, you are happy. تو دل خوشی, تو دل خوشی, تو دل خوشی. Okay, تو دل خوشی is just like caution, and you can make it like caution, and you make like how to say positive sentence. Okay, you are not happy. You can say دل خوش نیت, or you can say تو دل خوش نیت. So look, if you will say تو دل خوش نیت, like it's gonna be to is means you, and this T over also means you. So we don't need two T. We don't need to referring to you two times in one sentence. We can say it's making like short one, quicker. And تو دل خوش نیت. Okay, native speakers, not native speakers, I mean, when English people want to learn, they try to put pronouns first, but if you do not use it, it's going to be more natural way to say you are not happy. Dilkhoshnit is going to be so natural way if you say dilkhoshnit. Okay, this is the lesson for today. That today was about feelings. Hest, hestakan. How's your feeling? Hestachona. Okay, you can say I'm dilkhoshm. I'm happy. You can say I'm not happy. Dilkhoshnim. And you can use for you, not or. We don't going to talk about me all the time. So I'm Dilkhoshm and Dilkhoshi. So it means for you. Dilkhoshi. Some people say Dilkhoshi, but do not use that one. Dilkhoshi, Dilkhoshni. And as we said, if you put caution mark, it's going to be caution. And I will teach you in the next videos how to make caution about them, especially the caution words. Okay, so make sure that you want to practice. The next video is going to be about another feeling, how to say in Kurdish.